Hi guys, I'm Julie Covelli-Paycheck, sexual wellness expert here at Colorado Plastic Surgery Center. Today I'm working with Andrea. She's a patient here for ThermiVA. We do 3 sessions of ThermiVA, each 4 to 6 weeks apart. How ThermiVA works is by using this wand and radio frequency waves. It heats up to a nice warm vaginal massage. We work together and it tightens the tissues. So what happens when you tighten the tissues is maybe you've given birth and have a vagina that's feeling a little laxity or looseness, or perhaps when you jump rope or jump on a trampoline, you leak a little bit of urine. This is the treatment that definitely helps that. And the final pro to this treatment is having just lubrication in the vagina. So I'm here with my patient Andrea. She's been treated in the past and it's her annual treatment. You can treat ThermiVA with 3 sessions and 2 orgasm shots when you're over 35, or just 1 orgasm shot if you're under 35. I'm going to let Andrea tell you the benefits of ThermiVA.
For me personally, I've had it in the past. It's been a few years since I had the full treatment, and this is my 2nd annual touch-up. And I always have to use the bathroom. I have urgency to pee like nobody's business and get up once, if not twice, during the night to urinate. So this has been really helpful for me to be like a baby in sleep training and sleep through the night without having to get up and use the bathroom. So I just noticed within the past couple months I've had to start getting up again. So I came in for a treatment today hoping that I can get back to my full 9 to 10 hours of sleep.
I have 24 years experience in women's health, so there's nothing you could do or say that makes me feel uncomfortable, and I'm here to just improve your sexual health. We have an awesome special going this month for Valentine's. We are offering 3 ThermiVA and 1 O-shot for $3,000, which is a $600 savings, but you have to book by the end of February. Hope to see you. Hi guys, one more thing I almost forgot. Each person, man or woman, who purchases a sexual wellness package during the month of February gets entered in our drawing, a $250 couples night out to Spuntino's Italian restaurant.